And today we're at Dollar Tree. But before we start, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So let's get right into this video. These little monster squishies. And up here I found a poppet ball. I might as well buy this little poppet ball because I haven't seen them. And up here they have, let's see, a yellow one. What else? They got poppet snappers. And then, what about, they have a different color. Oh, and they also got these fidgets. More poppet balls. There's a ducky up here. It's really cute. Oh, and they got some what is it called, emojis, and they got pop tubes. Hold on, I found this poppet bubble. So yeah, I found this, and this is really cute. A lot of pet stuff. They got this pig. See, do they have all this little squishy? Oh yeah, they do. A bear. Oh, and they also got these. These might be good for cats. They might like it if you buy them and give it to one of your cats. You got a froggy. Ooh, this one's kind of cute. Look at this, guys. I've never seen this hair before. Let's see what else. Oh, these balls are really cute. These, I like the emoji. They got a pineapple. Let's see, they got a tree right here. Let's see what else, guys. Same. Okay, yeah, I think that's all the emojis I can find. You know, it's summer. Maybe if you guys go to the beach, you can probably take one of these. So you might want to grab this before you go to the beach. And also they have these floaties, stuff for the water, the bubbles. These are so big. Shovels. I was like, well, I forgot the name. Because I did. I don't know how to say bubbles a lot. For playing like a game, or I forgot the name of the sport. Or whatever it is. Over here they got jump ropes. I guess these are like for swimming. They kind of swim, I guess. What is this? More character bubbles. It's cool. Over here they have these sand castles. You can build like a sand castle thing. Rest of their buckets. More of these. It's just the shovels, as you can see inside of it. This looks scary. They got this over here. Birthdays. They got happy birthday and this little dinosaur balloon for them. It's 23.5 inches. Now they got the princess. They got more princess than boy. This is cool. They got all of this that they have. They worked really hard on this. Yeah, I'm back in the toys area. Look at this, guys. They got these little paintings up here. Oh, might have seen this before. The whole snacks area. Over here. Guys, comment down below if you know what my favorite candy is. Here's all the candies. Here's some candies that I might like. Yeah, oh, by the way, those are new. Maybe Reese's, maybe Red Vines, or Gumball, Double Bubble. Comment down below if you know what it is. Chips, Oh, or you can comment down below which chips I might like. Might like this. Or these. I know I haven't tried them before, but I know they're kind of like Cheetos. Look at this math thing I found. It's like a little thing where it shows you math. Let's check out the green one. Oh, they're just all the same in different colors. They have green, red, yellow, let's see, blue. The blue's all the way in the back. Hold on. Yeah, blue's all the way in the back. I can't grab them. They got this little thing, which can be like your journal, pencil, sharpener, tail, crayons. Kind of cool. I thought I had a little picture on the back. And they got this color. It's really cute. Baskets I found. This is really fingers. I don't know why these have to be soft, but they're so soft. These nails you can stick on. They have this. What's up here? That was the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bells. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!